You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn the meaning and what is the pronunciation, how to say, how to pronounce, and when to say. By Felicia is how to pronounce it. By Felicia. It's sometimes spelled S-H-A. Felicia is how you say it. It's an informal phrase from pop culture. It's kind of slangish, and it's to dismiss someone quickly and coldly. Someone is arguing or whatever, you just say bye Felicia, and that shuts it down. Dismissed. Bye Felicia. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon, and thanks for watching.